Good morning, family. This is Linda. So Ben and I is out in the garden this morning, just getting up all kinds of dead leaves and matter in the garden. Not only that it will look better, but also that it don't smell like death to insects. You know what I mean? So, but I also was harvesting some vegetables for myself. I wanted a nice stir fry for lunch, and so this is what I was getting together. But it's a beautiful day, and it feels great out here. And yeah, just cutting a lot of the dead leaves off a lot of plants, and also harvesting lunch. Sometimes it is out of your control to the way things are going. You need to change some things. And so, yeah, I've made some choices. And yeah, we all can make choices. And change is good sometimes. It really is. If you find yourself in a situation and you're not moving and you're not going anywhere, your life is just stagnant. Make some changes, baby. Make some changes in your life. But also, Jada is here today, and yes, she want to tell you about some changes that will be made here on the New Orleans Gardener channel beginning January 2023. Yeah, she gonna tell you all about these changes. She is excited, y'all. Me too.
Hey everybody, this is Jada, and today I'll be sharing with you some seeds that I will drop.
All right.
Today I'll be dropping lettuce butter crunch.
Yeah.
And some arugula.
Yeah.
And also some basil lettuce leaves.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. So this is a container I had some other lettuce growing in, and I think we have 2 plants of arugula over there. We're just gonna leave them in, and of course all of the onions, they will stay.
Yeah.
And Jada gonna drop some more lettuce.
Yep.
Yeah. So the other lettuce I harvest, and I think I have one more bag of lettuce in the refrigerator. But we need more lettuce, huh, JJ?
Sure do.
Yeah. So Cheryl loved this butter crunch. Hey Cheryl, I'm dropping your lettuce, baby. I'm gonna eat what y'all eating over there. Oh, that look nice, Jada.
Yeah.
It's a nice bit.
Wait, hold on. Let me make me a little section really quickly.
Mm-hmm. You gotta make a line?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just so it could be easier.
Yeah.
It's a little too deep.
Yeah.
Just gonna sprinkle them all around.
Yeah. Sprinkle those babies out.
That easy. Now we have some butter crunch lettuce.
Beautiful, Jada. Beautiful. What's next?
Next is some arugula.
Arugula.
Some Baker Creek.
Yeah. Yeah. So this entire lettuce basket made me think of Cheryl. She encouraged me to try arugula again, and now I love this stuff. All right. Want to put her on the edge, like around the edge?
Like this right now.
Yeah, because she gets really tall, so put her on the edge. Should be that edge mama. All right. You're getting good at this, Jada. So listen, guys, this is something I want to talk to you all about. in 2023, we're going to have a new segment to the channel. You want to tell them about it, Mommy?
Uh, sure.
Okay. Okay.
So in 2023, spring of 2023, we're going to start this new segment, like you said, and it's going to be about Lil TNOG. If you don't know who Lil TNOG is, it's me. So basically, I'm going to say probably the most I would have is 5. I don't know how many I'm going to feel like, but yeah. I'm going to say the most I'm going to have starting off will be 5. I don't know if it's going to be 5. I just know.
What you mean 5 grow bags?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, 5 grow bags, and I will plant whatever spring plant, vegetable, fruit, flower, whatever.
Right.
And yeah, I will plant it, and every day after school, I will take care of it, water it, give it super juice, give it 5-11, everything.
Right. Right.
So yeah.
Also, we want to invite anyone else that have children Jada's age or older, whatever. If you are a grandparent, a mom, a dad, a grandfather, whatever. If you have your children in the garden with you, join us. Join Lil TNOG with her gardening, so we can bring them along and they can have, they're part of the garden. So, and I know one year Jada had strawberries, right?
Yep.
But who took care of those strawberries?
The original TNOG.
Right. So, and with this segment, Jada will take care of her own plants.
Yep. Sure will.
Right?
Yep.
Okay. So that's going to be something new in 23.
Yep.
It's going to be gardening with Lil TNOG.
Yep.
I love it.
I'm excited.
You excited?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right. I love it too. I love it too. So everything is planted. You dropped all the seeds?
Yep.
Cool.
Have to get them all watered.
Okay. So this is one of the things I did today. Ben dug the hole, yeah, and I put the tree in the hole. So this is my guava tree. It is a pink guava, I think, one of them. I'll find the tag somewhere, but I've been having her for this is probably my 3rd year with her. So that's what she looks like. And we'll see, if she's all right and she'll come back in the spring. We'll see. But if she don't come back, I'll just go buy another one. That's all I can do, right? Yeah. So I'm going to harvest some more sugarcane, even though I have some there, but I'm going to harvest some sugarcane. I do have one person I need to send some sugarcane. Yeah, man, I got you. So one of the things I talked about when I found out that I had a pod on my moringa tree, one of the things I said was, I hope nothing happens. Like, I was thinking about a hurricane. But I don't know if, it's going to survive through these last nights we had of just pure, downright coldness. It was colder than we had ever seen in many, many years. But, we're going to just see what happens. And, and we're just going to take the steps for whatever she shared to us. If, she says dead and it's done, then we just going to move on. Right? Right, baby. Right. So this is my jasmine plant. Oh my God. That's her right there. The cool thing about the jasmine plant is that I do have some of her seeds. So what I see at the bottom is it's green at the bottom. So I'm not going to cut the plant. I'm gonna cut all these bad limbs off and leaves. I'm gonna cut that off, and I hope she come on back. Come on back, baby. Come on back, baby. Yo, this is my gardenia. You know, hey, gardenia is like, bring it on, baby. Bring it on. This girl just lives, you know. This is my cactus back there. So tomorrow, this will be my job. I will clean out this bed and make it look pretty, like a jungle. You make me wonder how I keep from going under. Ha, 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 ha. No. But yeah, this, oh man. This is my hibiscus. But we're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see. I know she looked bad, but, you know, she'll be all right. She'll be all right. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go in now. I'm going in, rest myself. I've been cleaning up this bed, getting it all pretty. I'm going to get that plant up, both of them, because I'm not going to fight. I'm not fighting it. No. But the blue kale, they're like, bring it on, baby. Yeah, yo. So, this is a salad I made. Of course, that is the broccoli romanesco in there. I have some peppers, some cherry tomatoes, and pickles. Yeah. And, you know, I just used what I had in my refrigerator, y'all. Oh, and the lettuce. Of course, I grew that. Yeah. And I have some Colby Jack cheese. And this is some ranch dressing. But first, I'm going to take one of these. Because, y'all, I love to eat this stuff raw. Wait a minute, this piece. All right. I love to eat it raw. It's so good. It's like eating broccoli, right? Broccoli is delicious raw, and cauliflower. So good. Let's get cheese in there. So, let me share what I'm cooking, okay? So this is what I'm cooking. That's smoked turkey necks, and there's white beans in here. White beans. That's what I'm cooking. Yeah. And it's in my slow cooker. Yeah, it's in this little baby right here. And I'm going to let her do her thing, baby. I'm going to let her do it. All right, family. Listen, guys, you all have a great, great evening. Later, y'all.